All right, ladies and gentlemen, time for another trade recap. Unfortunately, I did not take this, and it sucks because this was such a textbook play. Like, uh, yeah, it actually really sucks. I went to the bathroom. So at first, let's get into this. So first, coming into the day, I had a bullish bias. I actually told my Discord, and I don't know if I can pull it up here. Yeah, because I only have it on. Wait, do you guys only? Yeah, you guys only see the screen. So let me pull it up on right here. But I told Traders Corner, and I was like, all right, we have two options. We have these two hourly gaps. If we respect this, I'm willing to take longs up to buy side liquidity. If we disrespect it, willing to short to Asia lows. Right now, oh, my nose itches. Now coming into the day, we were respecting it, and I was like, we took out this liquidity, right? So where's market open? Market opens right here. Boom, we took out this low. We're respecting this gap, and I was like, all right, bro, this is obvious. Like if we inverse this 5 minute gap right here, I'm taking longs, full porting longs, matter of fact, and we're banking break even right here. But and also I would have had to take profit right here because this right here is a hourly bearish gap. So we actually did not we did not inverse this gap, right? And I was on the 1 minute, and I was like, we might just be preparing to inverse that gap. So let me see what's going on Instagram. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go take a piss, right? So I took a piss. I went to go take a piss right here, and I had this gap marked out, and I was like, all right, hopefully when I get back, we we inverse this or we react off this, like we respect it, inverse the 5 minute gap, so I can go long. I come back, we inverse it right here, and I'm like, oh my god, this is such textbook because if you take a look, yes, we didn't inverse this 5 minute gap, but we came up into it a couple times. Then we took out this high inside of it. We had these two stacked up 1 minute gaps. Boom, could have entered right here. So I get back. I try to set my limit order to get filled right here, and it goes boom, boom, right before I can click confirm. And then break even was right here. Asia lows, absolutely just smacked. This was, bro, like a 1 to 3. A 1 to fucking 3, bro. And I believe break even was a 1 to 1. Was it? Bro, even better than a 1 to 1. It was just, bro, such a good trade. But unfortunately, I did not take it, which sucked. It was just, bro, it sucks. But hey, I was able to read price action correctly. The only thing I did not like about this trade is there was 1 minute until the 15-minute candle closed. Okay, so yeah, there was 1 minute right here until the 15-minute candle closed, or 2 minutes until the 15-minute candle closed. And don't forget, this gap is a hourly bullish gap, but inside of it we have a couple bullish 15-minute gaps. So I wanted to see it inverse, but with this type of price action where you can see that we're getting like heavy volume of sell orders, it was pretty obvious that we were going to inverse it. Like there's 1 minute left. So that's what sucks about today's trade, that I wasn't able to take it, but I was completely correct on the bias. So that's all that matters. It's still a win in my book. Still going to journal this down, and remember not to take a piss when we got some decent price action for a Thursday. Now, going over another trade that I was gonna take, but I ended up not taking. Wait. Break even was here. Yeah. The other trade I was gonna take, which it looks like I probably would have gotten stopped out. We do. I forgot about this level. Yeah. This trade would have been. We got this little retrace right here. Again, multiple 1 minute gaps stacked up. Boom. Right there. Could have entered short off here. Break even right here. And what is this? I think this is like a 1 to something. Let's see. Fuck. Probably would have had. Well, I don't like that. I would put it right here. So this trade would have been like a 1 to 1.5. Still not a bad trade. These are the two trades I saw that you can possibly take today. But I think the trade of the day was definitely this trade right here. It sucks I wasn't able to get in, but it's still a win in my books just because I was able to predict where price wanted to go. So yeah, that's the trade from today. I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. If you haven't, follow the social medias, join Traders Corner. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully, if I take a trade.